If you're pushing your body to its limits, whether in the gym, on the field, or just in everyday life, then recovery isn't optional. It's a requirement. And if you're not taking it seriously, you're leaving strength, endurance, and potential on the table. I get we all live busy lives, but technology is making huge strides in this space. And I have a recovery hack for you so you have one less excuse to use. Red light therapy, you're welcome.
So what is it? It's a scientifically proven way to speed up recovery, reduce inflammation, and optimize performance by working at the cellular level. You train hard, break down muscle fibers, and put stress on your body, and red light therapy helps repair that damage faster, so you can come back stronger instead of feeling like you got run over by a truck. NASA originally studied red light therapy for astronauts to help them heal faster in space. If it's good enough for the demands of zero gravity, you better believe it can help you recover from a brutal workout, an injury, or just the daily wear and tear of life. If you're serious about performance, you better get serious about recovery. I've said it plenty of times before, and it's not going away, and it just keeps getting easier and easier, which means fewer and fewer excuses for you. Isn't that lovely? Red light therapy is one of the most underrated tools for recovery and performance. If you're serious about training, building strength, and optimizing your body, you need to pay attention. Red light therapy, RLT, is a powerful, science-backed method that uses low-wavelength red light to penetrate your skin and muscles, triggering deep cellular repair. It's not just some gimmick or wellness trend. This is about maximizing recovery, reducing inflammation, and getting your body back in peak condition faster. If you train hard but ignore recovery, you're only half committed. We know this. Or you should know you have been listening for a little while. RLT is a tool that can push your recovery game to the next level, so you're not dragging through soreness or stuck dealing with nagging injuries. You put in the work. Now make sure your body can handle it. If you're constantly sore, sluggish, or battling nagging injuries, you're not overtraining, you're under-recovering. And that's where red light therapy comes in. Your body is made up of trillions of cells, which control everything in your body. And your body runs on energy, which is created in these cells. Inside each cell is something called a mitochondrion. Think of them as the engine that powers your muscles, your brain, your entire system. They are tiny powerhouses inside your cells. Red light therapy stimulates those mitochondria, increasing their ability to produce ATP, the fuel your body runs on. More ATP means faster muscle repair, reduced inflammation, and stronger, more resilient tissues. Red light therapy is the fuel for your mitochondria engines, which then create more ATP, which is the fuel for everything else in your body. This process obviously happened with or without red light therapy, but stress, hard training, and even just aging slow this mitochondria process down. Your cells get overloaded with oxidative stress, the kind of cellular damage that leads to soreness, stiffness, and injuries that just won't heal. Red light therapy cuts through that damage, reducing oxidative stress so your body can actually recover the way it's supposed to. If you're serious about performance, but you're ignoring how your body produces energy and heals itself, you're holding yourself back. This isn't hype, it's pure science. And if you're not using every tool available to speed up recovery, that's on you. But not all light is created equal. If you're going to use red light therapy, you need to understand the difference between red light and infrared light, because both have their own job to do. And if you don't know the difference, you're not maximizing your results. Red light, this is the stuff you actually see. It's visible and targets the surface level of your body, skin, muscles, and joints. It's great for reducing inflammation, speeding up muscle recovery, and even boosting collagen production for better skin and tissue repair. If you're dealing with soreness, stiffness, or minor injuries, red light is what gets the job done. Infrared light. This is where we go deeper. You can't see it, but you'll feel it. Infrared light penetrates beyond the skin, reaching deep into muscles, tendons, and even your bones. This is the level where you get serious pain relief, deep tissue repair, and even improved circulation. It's not just about recovery, it's about healing on a whole different level. If you're only using red light and ignoring infrared, you're missing out on deeper healing. If you're only using infrared and skipping red light, you're leaving surface level recovery behind. The best results come when you use both. But make sure to talk to your doctor before going on any kind of red or infrared light therapy routine. Recovery isn't just about resting, it's about giving your body the tools it needs to rebuild stronger. Now you know the difference. No more excuses. Use the right tool for the right job and start recovering like an athlete, not an amateur. If you train hard, you better recover harder. After every workout, your muscles are broken down. Tiny tears in your muscle fibers trigger inflammation. That's part of the growth process. But if your body can't repair those fibers fast enough, you're stuck in a cycle of soreness, stiffness, and underperformance. You think pushing through pain makes you tough? What makes you tough is training smarter, recovering faster, and coming back stronger the next day. RLT increases circulation, bringing more oxygen and nutrients to damaged tissues. That means less soreness, faster muscle repair, and better overall performance. Red light therapy isn't a luxury. It's a weapon. Use it or get left behind. You can have all the strength in the world, but if your knees, shoulders, or elbows are screaming every time you move, your training is going nowhere. You either handle the problem or the problem handles you. Inflammation is your body's response to stress and injury. Too much of it, and you're dealing with stiffness, pain, and long-term damage that wrecks your performance. Whether it's arthritis, tendinitis, or just wear and tear from hard training, red light therapy can cut through inflammation at the source. It penetrates deep into your joints and connective tissues, stimulating blood flow, reducing swelling, and speeding up repair. This isn't masking the pain like those over-the-counter pain meds, it's fixing the problem. How many people do you know who give up on training because their joints can't keep up? They don't stop because they're weak. They stop because they never learned how to recover properly. If you're serious about longevity, about staying in the game for the long haul, you have to take inflammation seriously. You can keep ignoring the pain and let it slow you down, or you can attack the problem head on. Your move. Your body is in a constant state of either breaking down or rebuilding. Which one it does depends on how well you take care of it. If you're dealing with slow healing injuries, scars that won't fade, or even skin that looks tired and worn out, that's a sign your recovery game is weak. Red light therapy can give your cells the kick they need to repair and rebuild, faster and stronger, which means less time breaking down and more time rebuilding, which means greater gains in the gym. Your skin isn't just about looks, it's your first line of defense. It protects your muscles, your joints, everything underneath. But over time, through training, injuries, and just living, you take damage. RLT boosts collagen production, the protein that keeps your skin strong, flexible, and able to heal. That means wounds close faster, scars fade quicker, and your body stays resilient. And this isn't just about the surface. Cellular repair happens at every level. Whether it's a deep cut, a bruise, or micro damage from intense training, red light therapy supercharges your cells, increasing oxygen flow, reducing inflammation, and accelerating healing. The result? You recover faster, you train harder, and you keep moving forward instead of sitting on the sidelines. Your body is built to heal. It just needs the right tools. Give it what it needs, and you'll spend less time injured and more time dominating. That's the goal. That's the standard. Your mind and your hormones dictate how you perform, how you recover, and how you show up every single day. You can train like a beast, but if your stress is through the roof, your sleep is trash, and your hormones are out of balance, you're fighting an uphill battle. Red light therapy can be the edge you need to keep everything running at peak performance. Your body doesn't know the difference between life stress and training stress. Cortisol, the stress hormone, skyrockets when you're constantly grinding, and too much of it wrecks your recovery, kills your energy, and eats away at your gains. Red light therapy helps regulate cortisol levels, keeping your nervous system balanced so you can actually recover instead of running yourself into the ground. Then there's sleep, the ultimate recovery weapon. If you're tossing and turning at night, waking up exhausted, or relying on caffeine just to function, your body is already falling behind. RLT helps regulate melatonin production, improving sleep quality so you can hit deeper recovery cycles and wake up actually ready to go. Sleep isn't just rest. It's where muscle repair, mental clarity, and hormone optimization happen. Cut corners here, and you'll never hit your full potential. Finally, there is testosterone, the king of performance hormones. Whether you're a man or a woman, testosterone is essential for muscle growth, strength, and energy. But stress, poor sleep, and overtraining can tank your levels. Red light therapy stimulates the endocrine system, improving blood flow to key areas and helping boost natural testosterone production. More testosterone means better performance, faster recovery, and a stronger, more resilient body. Recovery isn't just physical. It's mental, it's hormonal, it's everything. You either optimize it or you settle for less. And settling? That's not an option if you're looking to succeed at being your best. But just like with anything else, if you're not doing it right, you're wasting time. And for those of us with big goal and ambitions, that's just not an option. You can't just sit across the room and expect results. To get the full benefit, you need to be about 6 to 12 inches away from the device. Too far, you lose effectiveness. Too close, you generate unnecessary heat. Find that sweet spot and stay there. This isn't a more is better situation. 10 to 20 minutes per session is all you need. Anything less, and you're not getting enough energy into your cells. Anything more, and you're just standing there wasting time. Understand that one session isn't going to cut it. Consistency is the key. Aim for 3 to 5 sessions per week. If you're dealing with serious inflammation, joint pain, or injuries, bump it up to daily use until your body starts bouncing back. But don't be lazy about it. You get results by showing up and staying disciplined. Do it right, or don't do it at all. There is no point in wasting your time. Not all red light therapy devices are created equal. If you're serious about recovery, you can't just buy the first thing you see on Amazon and expect elite results. You need the right tool for the job. If you're an athlete, a gym goer, or anyone pushing their body to the limit, a full body panel is your best bet. These cover large muscle groups, joints, and even your entire body in one session. Perfect for post-workout recovery, reducing inflammation, and optimizing performance head to toe. If you're dealing with a nagging injury or joint pain, a handheld device lets you target specific areas: your knees, shoulders, lower back, whatever needs attention. These are great for athletes who need extra recovery on problem spots. Some devices focus on specific applications. Think red light for the face, infrared for deep tissue. If you need precision, target therapy can be useful, but don't get caught up in gimmicks. Stick with medical-grade devices with proven wavelengths, around 660 nanometers for red light, 850 nanometers for infrared. Again, if you are dealing with bigger health problems, talk to your doctor before investing. Choose a device that matches your needs. Full body panels for overall recovery, handhelds for problem areas, targeted therapy if you need precision. Don't waste your money on weak, ineffective junk. Invest in the right tool, use it consistently, and get results. Red light therapy is powerful, but if you think it's a magic fix while you slack off on the rest of your recovery, you're fooling yourself. Recovery is a system, and if you want to be unstoppable, you need to stack your recovery methods like a pro. Try using cold therapy, ice baths, cold showers, cryotherapy. It doesn't matter which one, just get it done. Cold therapy reduces muscle soreness, speeds up recovery, and forces your body to adapt. Pair it with red light therapy. Now you're attacking inflammation from every angle. It doesn't matter how strong you are. If you move like a stiff robot, you're leaving performance on the table. Post-workout stretching, mobility drills, and active recovery work are non-negotiable. RLT increases blood flow and relaxes tight muscles. Stretching right after makes it even more effective. If you're skipping this step, don't complain when you start breaking down. You can have all the best recovery tools in the world, but if you're shoving garbage into your body, you're sabotaging yourself. Protein, amino acids, anti-inflammatory foods, hydration. This is what fuels cellular repair. Red light therapy stimulates recovery, but your body can't rebuild if you're not giving it the right materials. Eat like an athlete, not a lazy amateur. Build a bulletproof recovery routine. Red light therapy is a weapon in your recovery arsenal, but it works best when combined with the right habits. Stack it with cold therapy, stretching, and proper nutrition, and you'll recover faster, perform better, and stay ahead of the competition. Half effort equals half results. Go all in or don't bother. Red light therapy is not a magic fix. If you think you can just sit under a red light, do nothing else, and somehow become stronger, recover faster, and perform better, you're dead wrong. That mindset is why most people never reach their potential. RLT is a tool, not a shortcut. It enhances recovery, reduces inflammation, and optimizes cellular repair, but only if you're putting in the work everywhere else. If your training sucks, your sleep is garbage, and your nutrition is a joke, RLT won't save you. Use it alongside proper recovery habits, and you'll see the difference. Ignore the basics, and you'll stay stuck. This isn't some Instagram fitness fad. Red light therapy is backed by science. It's used by professional athletes, medical professionals, and top-tier performers because it works. Research shows it stimulates mitochondria, enhances ATP production, and actively reduces inflammation. If you're ignoring it, you're just choosing to stay behind. Red light therapy is a powerful tool, but it only works if you do. Stop looking for easy answers. Put in the effort, use it the right way, and you'll recover better, perform harder, and keep pushing forward. That's how you win. Now the question is, what are you going to do with this knowledge? Because at the end of the day, recovery isn't optional. If you want to train harder, move better, and stay ahead, you have to take it seriously. You can either keep doing what you've always done and stay stuck, or you can step up, dial in your recovery, and dominate in every area of your life. Take charge of your recovery, take charge of your success. No more waiting, no more excuses. It's time to level up, Shui.